Today we're unboxing the Sequre HT140 2-in-1 hot tweezers. Inside the decent quality case we find some packaging, including this little Christmas tree, the 65-watt power supply, very satisfying to remove the plastic protection. It has a US power plug by default, but mine came with a European adapter. They also ship them with UK and Australia adapters as options. It has two outlets, a USB labeled PD 65 watts and a USB-A Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0. And the HT140 itself. It weighs 50 grams and has a nice feel to it. For power on the rear, it has both USB-C and a barrel power socket. The stand is very sturdy and has a quality feel to it. Nicely weighted, as you can tell. There's a QR code sticker in case you're looking for the manual, so you can pause here and scan that if you need. And we have a bag of accessories, including a screwdriver, Allen keys, and some spare screws to replace tips. The stand, the mount, and 2 screws to secure the mount. Plus, of course, a sponge. There's a nice USB-C to USB-C cable, which is a decent length, about 1.5 meters. Some extra grounding cables. A USB to banana plug. And banana plug to screw terminal. There's a crocodile clamp as well, with a banana socket in its back. So let's put the mount in. Drop in the HT140. Oops, wrong way, but that's easy enough to fix. As you can see, you've got a range of orientation options for the mount. And now let's plug it in. Switch it on. Now you see the temperature is 26, 27. That's room temperature right now where I am. I wonder if I could use this as a meat thermometer. To get it warmed up, just hold down the button and... wow, if that's accurate, it heats up very quickly. To turn the temperature down, use the bottom button. And to turn it up, use the top button. Okay, time to wet our sponge and get going on this knockoff Arduino that has definitely seen better days. The first resistor came out like butter. The TX LED also, no problem. Components tend to be sticky though, so I found that it was useful to wipe them off on the sponge. I was getting a little over-enthusiastic when I accidentally got under this capacitor's skin. Literally. Oh well, lesson learned. And there you have it, the Sequre HT140 hot tweezers. Something I'll definitely keep in my toolbox.